Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Java to your Windows machine. So let's start then. If you have any browser like Edge or Chrome, doesn't matter. For now I'm going to use Chrome browser. You just need to come here and then search for Java JDK. So you will see a lot of results here, but we're going to go to the oracle.com, and once you're here, then you'll see these options that choose your what kind of, doesn't matter what kind of operating system that you have, you will choose that one. But before that, I'm just gonna click on Java 17. If you want, you can download the Java 19, but Java 17 is okay too. I'll just install the Java 17, and my machine is operating system is Windows. That's why I will choose Windows. Once you choose Windows, you will see the installer here, and then just click on this link here, and it will just directly download this JDK for you. Once it's downloaded, you can just click on it. It will show you something like this, and you need to allow to install it to your machine. Okay, then you will have this one. Then click on next. If you don't have good reason to change it, to change the location for Java JDK, don't change it. I mean, if you have good reason, change it, but otherwise I wouldn't recommend you to change it. Just click on next, and you will see the status here. Let's just wait. Okay. It depends on machine and internet speed. It can either happen faster than this or slower than this. It doesn't matter, but at the end, it's going to happen. So then just click on close. After you download it, there is one more step that you need to do. You will just go to basically to your C drive, and after that, look for the program files, click on it, and then you'll need to see Java here, you see? Then click on Java, then you will see JDK 17.0. Just click on it, and then you will see the bin folder, click on it as well, and just stop there. After you arrived bin folder, you will see the address for it. You see, on the top of it, you will see this location. Just copy this location, then search for on your computer, not here, just come here, click on the Windows, and then search for environment variables. Okay. Then something, this kind of window will pop up, and then click on environment variables. And this is for user, but I would recommend you to change it. Do this for the system variables, then it will affect whole system. And then you will see the path here. Just come here and add new, and whatever you copied from bin folder, the address for bin folder, just click here and paste the same address here, and then click OK, OK, and OK. To make sure if Java is downloaded, installed to your machine, you will just go here and look for cmd. This is command prompt, and just open it. This black window will come to your screen, and then you will just need to write this command, Java space --version. You can check it before you install it. It will give you error, but after you install it, it will give you Java 17.0.5, which is the version of your Java. And you can check for the Java compiler version as well, which is gonna be just the same thing. This is the GRE version, and this is the compiler version. So that's it. It's pretty smooth process. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in different video session.